Welcome to this unique space, the Magic Mind Channel, where we connect the power of the mind with inner energy to attract abundance and wealth into our lives. We believe that our thoughts can shape reality by focusing on positive affirmations. We open the path to financial freedom and prosperity. Today, we will focus on money affirmations built on the powerful I Am approach, helping you feel and create financial well-being. We will also include other strong affirmations for achieving prosperity. Listen to this video daily and believe in the magic of your mind. It can manifest incredible things, including attracting wealth and abundance into your life. Find a calm space. Sit or lie down comfortably in a place where nothing will disturb you. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose to tune in to the energy that awakens your inner power. Breathe consciously. Feel fresh energy flowing into you with every inhale. Then slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing everything that holds you back. Repeat this cycle several times until your mind and body connect in harmony. As you continue deep, focused breathing, begin to silently or aloud repeat the following affirmations. The first ones are based on the I Am statement, reinforcing your inner identity and perception of yourself as a source of wealth and abundance. I am a magnet for money. With every breath, visualize money flowing into your life effortlessly and naturally. I am open to the flow of abundance. Recognize that the universe constantly offers opportunities, you just need to receive them. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. You believe in your worth and deserve every financial opportunity that enriches you. I am created for financial success. Every day, you become stronger and more prepared to attract financial opportunities. I am grateful for every financial opportunity life offers me. Gratitude opens the doors to new possibilities and strengthens your belief in abundance. I am filled with energy that attracts money and prosperity. Feel your energy rising with every breath, bringing financial freedom into your life. I am open to the universe's unlimited possibilities. With each inhale, I attract the energy of abundance and wealth. With each exhale, I release all doubts and limitations. I am a magnet for positive opportunities and trust that my life is filled with prosperity. Wealth flows to me easily and naturally. I am grateful for every moment and every gift life brings. I am a magnet for money and wealth. Money comes to me effortlessly. I am open to unlimited financial prosperity. My income is constantly increasing. The universe always supports me in my financial growth. I am financially free and abundant. My mind is tuned to abundance and wealth. Every money I spend returns to me multiplied. I am worthy of wealth and financial success. I am constantly surrounded by new financial opportunities. I feel comfortable and confident when receiving money. My thoughts and actions bring me wealth and prosperity. I am grateful for all the wealth flowing into my life. Financial abundance is part of me. I have unlimited ability to attract and create wealth. I am financially independent and thriving. My intuition guides me to successful decisions. I love money, and money loves me. I allow myself to be rich and successful. I deserve to live in wealth and comfort. My mind is full of positive thoughts about money. I am grateful for every financial blessing I receive. I know how to manage and invest my money wisely. Money allows me to do good for myself and others. Wealth is unlimited. There is enough for everyone. I am the creator of my financial reality. My financial situation improves every day. Let these words resonate within you. Imagine each affirmation taking root like a seed in the rich soil of your mind, growing into a magnificent tree full of prosperity. With each inhale, feel your inner world opening to new possibilities. With each exhale, let go of old limitations that no longer serve your growth. Returning to the present moment. Slowly return to the present. Remind yourself that you have the power to manifest all the abundance and wealth you desire. Open your eyes. Carry this feeling of peace and gratitude into your daily life. And remember, your mind is the key to creating a reality film. Thank you for taking the time to join this meditation, helping you connect with the energy of abundance and financial strength. Before you go, I encourage you to like this video if you found it valuable, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. Your support allows us to bring you more inspiring videos that help you unlock the full power of your mind and achieve financial prosperity. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with abundance, joy, and success. I look forward to reading your comments and feedback.